we're back. I have rolled out my white roll fondant, and you're probably going, "What? A white roulette wheel?" Actually, our roulette wheel is going to be black, but we're going to airbrush it because it's a lot easier. So what I do is I just kind of hold the cake over and make sure, you know, some people measure the top of the cake, the sides. I just pop it over. Yeah, it's going to fit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is lift it over and bring my cake underneath. Okay, so I start in here and make sure that we get all of this. Notice this, that I lift my fondant a little. I lift it up here like this so it goes in the little crevice. And then I worry about coming outside and smoothing the sides. Always remember to go about halfway down first, all the way around, and then continue to go the rest of the way around. As far as the smoothing goes, you don't want to try to go all the way down to the bottom, because what happens is you'll get those little wrinkles down at the bottom. Okay, so I pull this part and smooth that down. Remember I said if you have any problems, if you get anything, any cracks or anything at this point, we can go ahead, like right there. I think I just stuck my finger in there. I'm not going to worry too much about it because I know I'm going to have a lot of things on this cake. It's going to be pretty crazy, so I can always cover it up. Might be a little different if I know it's going to be a nice clean cake that doesn't have a lot going on. Then I might need to take a little bit more time at this step, but right now I'm good to go. Okay, pizza cutter. Right down here at the base. Pick the cake up. Just kind of smooth around the edges there. Okay, so I am just going to actually sit this one aside, and we're going to continue to cover the rest of the cakes, and then we'll airbrush this one in a little while.